Denied.
Denied. Not for me.
Feed the trees. Pounce. Timber.
Radiant's middle tower is about to be a pile of smoking rocks.
This is ours.
Dire doesn't haul ass and help out that bottom tower, there's not going to be a tower left. Radiant's throwing all they've got at Dire's bottom tower.
Oh,
I'm being told I'm supposed to say own it
Too
right
much
now.
with you.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Very nice. Feed the trees.
Things are looking dire for Dire's bottom tower. Forget I said that. Their bottom tower is in trouble, though. Radiant is hanging on by a brick. Dominating. If you're in the vicinity of Dire's top tower, I'd put on hard. That baby's
Now
coming
your
down.
tree food.
Radiant's middle tower is hanging on by a brick. Dire's top tower is really taking a beating.
it's mine. I feel you all in silence.
Looks like Dire's top tower is in some trouble. Oh, that's supposed to say ownage belly up right now. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Man, Radiant does not like Dyer's bottom tower. What's that, Greg? No, I don't know why. They'd have to be upsetting his I think they're actually trying out there. Wait, are we in mega kill territory here? Let me just trim buddies. You covered in blood. Big smile on your big dumb face.
Fellow in your grave.
Things are looking dire for Dyer's bottom tower. Wow, that was unintentional. Forget I said that. Their bottom tower is in trouble, though. Dyer's top tower is really taking a beating. Good stuff. Radiant's courier just took a dirt nap.
Invisibility.
Silence seal you.
Two masts on this brigantine.
Dyer's middle tower is taking one hell of a beating. Dyer doesn't haul ass and help out that bottom tower, there's not going to be a tower left. Dyer's historical bottom tower is destroyed. It was named, of course, after Jessamine. That details I was given. Hope Dyer's middle tower is insured. That thing is standing on its last brick. You can tell Dyer's middle tower is in trouble from the way it's being destroyed as I speak.
The devil to pay.
Radiant does not like Dire's bottom tower, and it shows.
I'll tear you limb from limb.
Things are looking dire for Dire's bottom tower. Again, I said that. Their bottom tower is in trouble.
He's a mountain.
Unstoppable! Hope Dire's middle tower is insured. That thing is standing on its last brick.
Come to me.
Dire's middle tower is stone dead. It's Dire down there. Also, just so you know, I have called the tower left. 1, 2. Greg, are you seeing this? I think that's a double
Leave
kill.
us.
Man, Radiant does not like Dire's bottom tower, and it shows. Dire's middle tower has taken one hell of a beating. You can tell Dire's middle tower is in trouble from the way it's being destroyed as I speak.
Approach you.
Illusion.
If you're in the vicinity of Dire's top tower, I'd put on a hard hat. That baby is coming down. What the hell is going on down there? Is that a kill spree? I didn't authorize this. Dire's top tower is really taking a beating. Things are looking dire for Dire's bottom tower. Ah, that was unintentional. Forget I said that. Their bottom tower is in trouble, though. They are on a killing spree. If you're in the vicinity of Dire's top tower, that baby is coming
Uproot it after them. A soldier's fortune.
Not for myself, but for the cause.
Dire's middle tower is taking one hell of a beating. If Dire doesn't haul ass and help out that bottom tower, there's not going to be a tower left. Monster kill.
Hard time. Make a fine humus.
Hope Dyer's middle tower is insured. That thing is standing on its last brick.
Pull roots and run.
Dyer's top tower is really taking a beating.
It is mine.
You can tell Dyer's middle tower is in trouble from the way it's being destroyed as I speak. Man, Radiant does not like Dyer's bottom tower, and it shows.
Bounty!
If you're in the vicinity of Dyer's top tower, I'd put on a hard.
Come.
That baby is coming down. Man, Radiant does not like Dyer's bottom tower, and it shows.
On edge.
If Dyer doesn't haul ass and help out that bottom tower, there's not going to be a tower left.
It's all a gift.
Dyer's top tower is really taking a beating.
With me.
If you're in the vicinity of Dyer's top tower, I'd put on a hard hat. That baby's look at that, because that is dominating.
That something good may begin.
If you're in the vicinity of Dyer's top tower, I'd put on a hard hat. That baby is coming down. Dyer's top tower is really taking a beating.
Warriors of the Book.
middle tower is taking one hell of a beating. Hope Dyer's middle tower is insured. That thing is standing on its last brick. Dyer's middle tower has kicked the concrete bucket. Dyer's scanning all over for enemies. I promise this will get more exciting. Dyer's bottom tower's gone to a tower farm up north. Mega kill! Own it!
Come!
Dominate. Things are looking dire for Dyer's bottom tower. Forget I said that. Their bottom tower is in trouble. Man, Radiant does not like Dyer's bottom tower, and it shows. The Dyer's top tower, I'd put on a heart. That baby is coming down. Radiant's got a real hate-on for Dyer's bottom barracks. Dyer's bottom barracks just fell. Bet you $10 Dyer does not like that one bit.
With me!
Radiant's got a real hate-on for Dyer's bottom barracks. Dyer's top tower is really taking a beating. Dyer's top barracks may not be long for this earth. Dyer's top barracks just fell. Mega kill. The sad thing is, I think they're actually trying. And so the grieving process begins for Dyer's barracks. I'm done. How are you? not be long for this earth.
I'll tear you limb from limb.
Dyer's top barracks just fell. You are unstoppable. Look at this. Are you serious? I'm being told I'm supposed to say ownage right now. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. You can tell Dyer's middle tower is in trouble from the way it's being destroyed as I speak.
Uproot and after them. As I speak. I'm being told I'm supposed to say ownage.
Now that was a failed bolt.
Tower is insured. Standing on his last brick.
Vigilance.
Dyer's middle barracks are taking a beating.
And it's strange beyond
Dyer's middle barracks
even death.
Dyer's middle barracks just fell. Dyer's middle tower has taken one hell of a beating.
Systems of the world are dead.
Back to 4.
Warriors of the wood.
Okay, it's happening. Big Dyer's ancient's coming down.
Well, well. Very nice.
It is senseless butchery down there. This is a Greek tragedy right out of the pages of Versus Interesting. Dyer's ancient's about to bite. This is a monster kill. That is a double homicide. Kill. Homicide makes it sound bad. It was a double kill.
My bones men.
And the Radiant takes the victory.